Welcome to week 4 of ABO and a quick discussion about index of refraction. The speed of light in air is 186,000 miles per second. This is a rule and will absolutely be on the ABO exam. So 186,000 miles per second. Now this is important because 186,000 then becomes the constant for determining the index of refraction. The speed of light in any given material is how we determine what the index of that lens is. We look at a couple of materials kind of as our standard lens materials. CR39 with an index of 1.498. You'll occasionally see that also listed as 1.50. Crown glass with an index of 1.523. Polycarbonate 1.586. Trivex, our newest material, with an index of 1.53. This one is missing from our diagram on page 3. Make sure you add that one in. And then our high index materials with an index greater than 1.6. We see high index 1.6, 1.66 listed on this page. That kind of falls in the high index category, and then we can see our high index 60, 70, and 80 listed at 1.6, 1.7, and 1.8. All of those lenses there at the bottom are glass lenses. But high index is basically specified with an index greater than 1.60. So these are the 5 major materials that we're dealing with, and knowing the index of refraction can help us determine the speed of light in any given material. So 186,000 miles per second, that's our constant. And let's say that the test has asked us to determine what is the speed of light in Trivex. We just learned that Trivex does have an index of 1.53. This then will allow us to determine what is the speed of light in this material. So if we do 186,000 divided by 1.53, which is the index of our material, it will tell us the speed of light in miles per second in the material requested, which for the equation we're working on is Trivex. So let's grab our calculator. We do 186,000 divided by 1.53 equals 121,568 or 569. So 121,569. 121,569. So we would say that the speed of light in Trivex is 121,569 miles per second. Now they also may give you the speed of light in any given material and then ask you to determine the index, or in turn the material that they are requesting. We get to use the same formula and the same constant. So 186,000 is our constant. Now let's say that they have asked us kind of that other way around. Let's make a little room here. So this time they've asked us, knowing the speed of light in air, what is the material if the speed of light in that material is 121,569 miles per second. We can do the same equation. So we do 186,000 miles per second divided by the speed of light in the material that we were given equals 1.53. 1.53. And we know if the index of refraction is 153, we are talking about a trivex lens. So regardless of whether we're given the index or the speed of light in the material, we can determine what material they are talking about. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call.